guys, I'm back. At my first spot. So I'm just gonna show you this lure. I got it from a work colleague. I met from work, and he's giving me this lure. It's a floating jerk bite with a big bib, so it should dive pretty well. But anyway, it's got his company logo on there. He works with Orica, and yes, so I'm gonna give it a go. I told him that I'll use it and I'll take a photo if I do catch a fish. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I haven't casted it yet, so this is the first time I'm throwing it. Okay, we'll see. Catch you later. Fish on, guys. I think it's a GT. Guys. Daryl, lost your lure. That was a GT.